Does your electric golf cart run hotter than a $3 Rolex? Is your gas golf cart engine knocking like a census worker? Let's see. Well, the garage is now open. Join Golf Cart Garage live twice a week for a Q&A with our master mechanic, Tim. It's Tim, hanging out in the Golf Cart Garage. It's good to see you, buddy. How are you?
What's up, guys? What's up, Dave? How's it going?
Doing well. How are you, buddy?
I'm doing fine,
When is the live show that you host on YouTube and Facebook?
We go live every Tuesdays and Thursdays at 12 noon Central Time. We usually stay live for anywhere from 30 minutes to close to an hour, something like that.
When you're doing these live shows, do you cover both FAQs and questions that viewers ask live while you're broadcasting?
Sure. I usually start the episode with a list of regularly scheduled questions that Golf Cart Garage has collected throughout the week. The live people in the chat room, they usually end up having a question, and they'll ask a question live, or join us on the live and ask your question there. Have your question ready, and you can catch me live every Tuesday and Thursday.
Can Golf Cart Garage help me one-on-one if I can't figure out my golf cart after the live show?
Sure, if you would like to schedule a phone call with me. And when I go live, I'll point down like this during the lives a lot, and it's pointing to the link that you can click on, and it will take you straight to the scheduling page.
That means that you might not have to trailer your golf cart somewhere to a dealership or a service facility, so it can really help out to join us every week.
That's the whole purpose of the Gearheads On Demand service, is that we're trying to save people money.
What do you like best about hosting the show every week?
What I like best now is the overall positivity. I get emails every day. That's got to be the thing that I like the most. It's just the overall positive response that I've received from it. Just catch me in the live, and we can talk about anything you would like.
Just like car trouble, a repair shop is going to ask you to bring your golf cart in. But Golf Cart Garage has a live Q&A twice a week and a video call diagnosis service called Gearheads On Demand to help get you pointed in the right direction, along with all the parts and accessories that you might need. Tim's live show will also share pictures of viewers' carts and has a great community of viewers live, chatting, and asking questions on YouTube and Facebook every week. Make sure to tune in right here at 1 Eastern, noon Central on Tuesdays and Thursdays and join the crowd. Stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. The garage is now closed. Thanks for watching GCGTV.